Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I've posted a video, and the title of this video is gonna be "I fucked up." The reason why I've not been doing well lately since the payout, and we have to have some serious talk when it comes to my trading and to the things that I've been doing with my trading. So here is the account that I got my payout on. This is a graph. The account at its highest was at 57,000. Right now it's sitting around 51,000. I've been fading, like holding myself so that I don't blow the account. Since the payout, I made a video, an update on the video on the account after I hit all of the 5 winning days, and then I'm not qualified for payout and all this kind of stuff. And I understand the rules, so I'm not blaming my fund the future for none of that. It's my consistency as a trader. I do have a real problem when it comes to consistency and risk management and following my trading rules. And those are the things I want to address in this video. And hopefully me addressing my own problem and issue help you identify and address your own and take the initiative to change for the better, to get better. First and foremost, I am realizing that lately my priorities and my principle have not been in the right place. My trading priorities, my rules, my long-term plan, my long-term vision have been taking a backseat. Sure, I've been stressed because I'm back to school. Plus, I'm working full-time and trying to trade as well. It's not really balanced. You know, less sleep, less time for myself, less relaxed. You know, so a little cause of stress kind of like make me reactive, and I would do things in the market that I wouldn't want to be doing. But all of those can just be excuses, which is why we're here. From August, this is my month of August. We have seen some red and we have seen some green, but the thing that is glaring and that we're noticing in this graph or on this calendar is the ratio between my wins and my losses. My wins seems to be much less compared to my losses. My wins are like 1/5 of my losses. If my losses, my average losses here, as you can see, seem to be $1,200, right? My wins, average wins, are around $200-300. So it takes 6 times my wins to equal my losses, which is why I'm in a drawdown anyway, right? So that's the number one thing that I need to address. Risk to reward ratio. On days that I'm losing, I should not be losing this amount of money if I'm making $200-300 per day on a good day, right? Number one. Number two, consecutive losing days. So since I got my payout, I think 5 consecutive losing days and 4 daily loss limit hitting days, which was devastating because the account just kept on dropping, and I was moving further and further away from getting paid out, and that definitely affected me psychologically. And I had to catch myself, which when I did, I had a little bit of good days, and coming back, I let myself tilt on Friday, which erased everything. It takes a lot to just take a deep breath and come back the next week with a positive mindset, wanting to kind of like make things right. I did what I was supposed to do, right? Close well, avoid tilt that Friday, but as you can see, it's dangerous because of the number of trades that I took that day. Just to tilt on Monday, which I usually don't even trade on Monday, because those Mondays are usually not my best days, and I know that. You see tilt here, you see tilt here. avoid tilt on Friday, tilt on Monday. Damn, right? Then Tuesdays, add some wins, break even on Wednesday, tilt on Thursday. Because no resting, just on high stress. I couldn't even compute what was going on Thursday, and I just chilled and blows a thing. Then on Friday, catch myself, add some wins, and then here we are, right? So you can see the roller coaster. So number one, what I need to do is to have much more restraint on days that I'm losing, because most of the time I do have an idea where the market is going, but then when it starts manipulating or going sideways or being in a consolidation or just heavy manipulation, I start fighting the market. So when I take the 200 loss, I don't stop there, because I'm like, damn, I got 200, I can bet on 200 and it's gonna go in my direction, and I keep losing. I get frustrated, I keep adding, and at some point I just stop thinking. It's like, well, hit the daily loss limit, I don't give a fuck, right? And then it does, and then I'm here trying to make up for those mistakes. So I need to be better, and the entire month of September, that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to stick to. No more than 200 losing day. If I hit 200, that's done. And that's going to happen by me being much more selective on the trade, and then micromanaging less. So, one, I'm going to write this down as I'm saying this. One, no more than 200 losing day. Two, no micromanaging. 3, better risk to reward ratio. So if I'm risking 200 on a trade, I need to make 400. That's it. And if I lose on the trade, I move to demo. That's just me. Those are things I'm going to put in place to help me get better and improved. So that account is going to take me a while to get out of drawdown. I mean, if I apply myself and be much more selective and things get better, unexpected things do happen, and my growth rate get better because I fix things, maybe at the end of September, beginning of October, we may request a payout or so. But for now, we need to trust the process. Second account, which is a new one, I'm in drawdown as well. I've been trading that account for 3 days, take one win, 1 daily loss limit, and then one loss, 1 day loss limit, and then one win. So taking it easy as we're going into September. Get out of drawdown, get above buffer zone, get the 5 winning days requirement, and then anything above buffer, I'll start requesting payout. That's the plan. I don't have anything else right now. I need to focus on getting better. I need to focus on being consistent. I need to focus on improving, right? Because I focus on payout, I start doing stupid shit. I focus on P&L, I do stupid shit. So I need to be much more consistent. I need to face my problem, look at them straight on, and take them head on. Unless I fix things, nothing is going to change, right? That's why I have this journey in place anyway. I'm showing this thing. I'm being transparent about it because I know that it's not easy. And I know that there are people that may be in the same thing, in the same circumstances like me, that are dealing with those demons, like those trading psychology demons that we're all fighting. And we need to look at them in the face and face them head on. There are also people that are doing well. So when they are watching this and things like this, they can avoid those avoidable mistakes that I could not. Like I do, I watch other YouTubers and I can get some good insight from them. So that's why I've put this journey in place and I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. So if you learn something from the video, if you enjoy it, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. I'm trying to get to 400, 500 subscribers on the channel. Leave a comment, like the video, and until next time, I wish you safe trading and peace.